Hi students, welcome to plus one computer class. So we know we are discussing about the topic Boolean algebra. In the previous video we already seen basic gates of Boolean algebra or basic operations of Boolean algebra. In the first video we saw OR operation and also its truth table and working. Then in the previous video, that is in 28th video, AND gate, then it's a truth table and the basic circuit diagram for AND gate. Then AND gate is used for performing logical multiplication and also it uses the symbol dot for representing AND operation. Actually AND operation is equal to multiplication, but here we are dealing with Boolean variables, that means 0 or 1. So operations will be different. Then one more basic operator is left, that is NOT gate. So in this video we are going to discuss the last basic operator of Boolean algebra. What is it? NOT gate. Okay, NOT gate and its truth table and how it is executing the operation, that we will discuss first. After that, basic postulates of Boolean algebra. There are some special rules available for Boolean algebra that we will discuss, and after that, principles of duality. Okay, principles of duality. So these are the three topics for our video. So can we start? Then our first topic is NOT. Okay, NOT gate or NOT operation. What does mean by NOT operation? There are three basic gates available in Boolean algebra: OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. OR gate for logical addition, AND gate for logical multiplication, and the last one is NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as inverter. Okay, NOT gate is also known as inverter. Then how it is represented? Representing NOT gate, we can use two notation: A complement and A bar. Okay, if A is a Boolean variable, we can represent A naught using complement, A complement and also A dash or A bar. And then with the help of a real life example, I will explain the working of NOT gate. NOT gate is an inverter, that means just opposite. If you give any information or any value, for example, there are two values in Boolean algebra. If it is 0, A complement, 0 will change to 1. Then if it is 1, it's a complement, that is 0. Then with the real life example, for example, suppose you want to go for jogging. Okay, suppose you want to go for jogging. There are two possibilities. If rain is there, then we can't go for jogging. So it's a real life example, raining and jogging. If raining is there, then we can go for jogging or walking or whatever it is. No. Okay, if raining is there, then we can't go. Then if there is no rain, then we can't go for jogging. Then please look at the value. If the first input is yes, then the output will be no. That means just opposite or it's a complement. Then second one, here it is no, then output is yes. Okay, that means we are converting it into its a complement. For that purpose we are using NOT gate. Clear? So NOT gate is used to find the complement of a number, or NOT gate is used to find the complement or inverter, or it is also known as inverter. Then next we want to discuss the truth table for NOT gate. Truth table for NOT gate. Then AND gate, OR gate, these all are binary operator. Binary operator means at least two input is must. Okay, at least two input is must. Minimum number of input is 2. You know, when we are drawing the circuit diagram, always we are drawing two lines. For example, if it is AND gate, if it is OR gate, the number of inputs 2. Then 3 input OR gate also we can draw. Then if it is NAND gate, what does this two lines indicate? Input. Okay, how many numbers we are giving as input? Okay, then you know we already studied 2 input AND gate and also 3 input AND gate. That means more than 2. minimum value we can't draw like this. Okay, single input is not allowed in AND gate and also OR gate. But in NOT gate, we are using single input. Okay, always we are using single input. We can't use two input lines for NOT gate. Always we are using single input line. Okay, all of you remember this. Always we are using single line or single input for NOT gate. Okay, then so the truth table will be like that. In AND operation and also NOT operation, we want to draw two columns. But in NOT gate, we are using single column. A and its complement. A complement. If A is equal to 0, then its complement will be 1. If A is equal to 0, its complement equal to 1. If A is equal to 1 and its complement equal to 0, like that. Okay, if A is equal to 0, it's a complement. What is its complement? Okay, there are two values are available in Boolean algebra. If the value is 0, then its complement will be 1. If the value is 1, its complement will be 0. Then, next I am going to draw the logical circuit diagram for NOT gate or inverter gate. Okay, it's a single input gate. So, single line and here will be one small circle. Then this will be the output line. So, if the input is A, then after NOT gate we will get it's the complement A complement. Clear? So, this is NOT operation. What does mean by NOT operation? NOT operator is also known as inverter. Okay, inverter means to find the complement. NOT operator we are always using to find the complement or negation to just opposite value. Okay, then we can represent NOT gate using A complement, A bar and also A dash. Then this is a truth table. It is a single input use. Otherwise we can say that it is a unary operator. Unary operator means it requires single operand. Okay, single operand. Okay, look here, number of variables that we are using in this expression is 1. Okay, A converting into A complement or A bar. Then this is a NOT gate diagram. A after NOT gate it is changing to A complement. Clear? A after NOT gate or NOT operation it will change to A complement. So I think the concept is clear. NOT gate is a basic binary or basic Boolean algebra operation. It is also known as inverter. And the circuit diagram for NOT gate is like this. NOT gate followed by inverter. The circle is also known as inverter. After A NOT we will get A bar. Clear? So this is our first topic, how we are representing NOT gate. So we already completed 3 basic gates or 3 basic operations of Boolean algebra. Which are the basic operations of Boolean algebra? Logical or for executing logical or operation we are using OR gate. OR gate means it is a circuit diagram. For the creation of that circuit diagram in computer we are using circuits. For creation of that we are using transistors, diodes for the creation of that particular gate. Then AND operation. AND operation is also known as logical multiplication. It is represented using dot symbol. And the last one is NOT gate or NOT operation, and it is also known as inverter, and it is a single or it is a unary operation. It requires single input and also single output. Clear? Then after this, so we completed the basic of Boolean algebra. Then there is one general information is there relating to Boolean algebra or basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Basic postulates or basic theorems of Boolean algebra. Then first one, postulate 1 or actually it's a rule 1. The first rule is if A not equal to 1, if A not equal to 1, then what will be the value of A? Because we are using two variables. If A not equal to 1, then A equal to 0. Okay, then again another condition. If A not equal to 0, then what will be the value of A in Boolean algebra? A equal to 1. Okay, that is the first theorem or first postulate. If A not equal to 1, then A equal to 0. If A not equal to 0, then A is equal to 1. Then next, postulate 2 or rule 2. It is relating to OR operation. Postulate 2 relating to OR gate or OR operation. You already know the truth table for OR gate. Okay, OR gate means how we are performing OR operation. Then, what will be the rules for OR operation? 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Actually, these are the basic rules for OR operation. That is, this is the entire truth table of OR gate. Then, the third postulate. Third postulate. It is relating to AND gate. Third postulate is relating to AND gate. AND gate means the rule for AND operation. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into, instead of into we are using dot operation. 1 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. So these are the basic postulates or basic theorems of Boolean algebra. What is the first postulate? If A not equal to 1, then A is equal to 0. If A not equal to 0, then A is equal to 1. Then second postulate, it is relating to OR gate and all the rules for OR gate. What is the first rule? 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then third postulate, it is relating to AND gate. That means if we are multiplying any number with 0, we are getting 0 as output. 0 into 0 equal to 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0 equal to 0. Last output 1 into 1 is equal to 1 itself. Okay, clear? So these are the three basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Then one more topic left, that is principles of duality. Principles of duality. Principles of duality. Okay, in chemistry also we can use the term duality. That means we are finding the dual of a number. Okay, here also we are finding the dual of a Boolean expression. Okay, dual of Boolean expression. To find the dual of a Boolean number, you want to follow 3 steps. To find the dual of a Boolean expression number, you want to follow 3 steps. The first step is convert each AND. Okay, convert each AND operation to OR operation. Okay, convert each AND operation to OR operation. How we can convert AND to OR gate? For AND operation we are using dot symbol, that convert that dot symbol into plus. Then second rule is convert each OR operation to AND operation. Convert each OR operation to AND operation and replace each 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Okay, to find a dual of a Boolean expression, you want to follow these 3 steps. Convert each AND operation with OR operation, convert each OR operation with AND operation, and replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. With the help of an example, I will explain. For example, x dot y plus z. This is a Boolean expression. You want to find the dual of this Boolean expression. Okay, dual of Boolean expression. So what you want to do? Replace dot with plus and plus with dot. So what will be the dual of this expression? X. Instead of dot, what you want to write? Plus. Y. Instead of plus, dot z. So this is the dual of Boolean expression x dot y plus z. What will be the dual? X plus y dot z. That means we are rearranging every dot with plus and every plus with dot. Okay, then one more expression. One more expression. A dot c plus a dot 1 plus a dot c. Again, another Boolean expression or equation. Then replace all the dot with plus and plus with the dot. And also, if in this expression, if anywhere 1 is present, convert that 1 into 0. Okay, so we can write like this. Instead of dot operation, plus a plus c dot a plus 1. Okay, what is the value here? 1. According to principles of duality, 1 will change to 0. So instead of 1, what do you want to write? 0. Then instead of plus, again dot a plus c. Okay, just opposite. Instead of dot operation, here it is plus. Instead of plus, dot. Instead of dot, plus, 1 will change to 0, plus will change to 0, then dot will change to plus. Okay, so this is principle of duality. Okay, what does mean by principles of duality? Convert each AND to OR, then each OR operator to AND operator, then replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Okay, so this is principles of duality, and with the help of an example, I will explain. I already explained this. X dot y plus z, its dual is x plus y dot z. Okay, so we completed all the 3 topics. So again we will revise the first operation. What was our first topic? NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as inverter, truth table, and also the circuit diagram we already completed. Then after that we discussed about basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Basic postulates or theorems of Boolean algebra. 3 postulates we already studied. 3 different postulates. After that, principles of duality. Okay, principles of duality means we are changing every AND with OR gate and OR with AND gate, and last one is replacing every 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Clear? So this is principles of duality. Then you want to write one question in your notebook. Okay, as a homework. Draw the circuit, then truth table, diagram for NOT gate. Okay, first you want to draw the circuit diagram, NOT gate circuit diagram, and after that truth table, and also you want to explain what is meant by NOT gate. Okay, so hope you understood these 3 concepts. The remaining Boolean algebra portions we will discuss in the next video. Okay then, thank you.